Okay guys, we are officially in the taxi. Look.
Yung vape mo na ko mo.
Ay, nasabi ko na.
Oh yeah.
Alriga ko yan. Yun
Wala nang tanong-tanong tayo doon sa ano binigay mo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's play a game of I Spy.
Wala na, binigay na. Tapos
I spy
How's your
something
This is the
red.
mo. But you know, we are planning to, to extend.
Okay, I'm
Maybe
letting
it's
you guess it in
expensive.
3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, your turn.
Check pa muna nila yung mga nandoon.
Is it that white car?
Bawat isang... Ay, sa bagay, may
Oh
contact
yeah, I
sila eh.
guessed it right.
Bawat isang ano nila,
I spy with my big
sa
eye.
system. Yun. Okay.
Something my butt.
Naiiwan yung TV.
Nino.
Kayo,
I spy
bakit?
something brownish. If you said before we go a bit further,
Papatay di mo sa'yo yan.
you're correct. It
Ako
is
pinatay
the
ko. Yung sa
cattail.
inyo sabi ko, ala, boss TV.
Ayaw siya.
Okay, your
Kahit
turn.
sa ano, kung saan ako magpunta, dahil hindi ko pinapatay
Is
yung mga
it
yan. Kahit
that-
lumalabas ako.
You
Is it
remember
that
here?
tan over there?
We walk here last night.
Oh yeah, I took pictures of it. Okay,
Nakasakay na rin sila, Rose.
Oo. Nakulog ko sa 1 minute.
okay, so
Hindi ako makainga.
let's
Wala
play
bang AC,
another
Daddy?
game.
Pinatay mo?
What should we play? You know what? Let's just continue playing I Spy.
Dapat dito ka sa gitna eh. Sumakay ka
Okay,
kagad.
I Spy
Eh kasi nga itong batang to,
something yellow. If you said it was the 3, then you're correct.
Galing mo yata mag-vlog, baby.
Okay, your turn. Yeah.
Okay, hello guys.
Gangan
We're going to leave now from our hotel. And we're going back home.
We're playing I Spy.
I spy ba? Okay. I spy with my little eye something yellow.
That? Is it that?
Yes.
That thing? Okay, I spy with my little eye something white.
Ayun, white.
Over there.
Oh.
It's over right there. Okay, your turn.
I spy with my little
Pupunta
eye
yung dalawa sa market.
something blue.
Blue. Oh, is it that building over there? Okay. I spy with my big eye. My big eye bigger than the earth.
Pinahinaan ng loob.
Yellow.
Ano pag milk ng paikot.
If you guessed early, and yes, it was the car. The yellow car.
Kasi yung isang yun, hindi naman
Also,
yung
that's
seasonal
yellow.
eh.
Yes.
Kumbaga talagang yung ano.
Your turn.
May time talaga mahina.
Mom, your turn. It's your turn.
Pag lumabas na yung visa niya, di ba? Yung ano,
Ay.
license.
Oh
Sorry.
my God. Oh, lumabas na.
Oo, pinakita niya.
Okay, what do you pick? I spy with my gigantic eye. What?
May license.
Mom, what do you pick?
Business. Wala pang visa.
See you when she finally
Ngayon,
replies.
may visa.
Guys, I'm on the other side with Nina.
Parang marutok pa naman.
Yay!
Hi guys. Kita mo? We're going back home.
Okay, now I'm on dad's
Kala ko babalik
side.
pa sa pool si Kuya, ihing-ihina ako kanina.
Yo, look at that pillars.
Hindi ko maiwan yung dalawa eh.
can't
Hanggang
see
lang.
Ano doon ng bato?
Then be it.
Toro, gusto pa doon na maligo. O ano, ibababa natin lahat yung mga damit.
Oo.
Sabi pa naman sa akin.
May locker din doon. May locker, kuya.
Oh, look at that
Susunod talaga
puffball
tayo,
tree.
doon tayo ibubuk talaga. ha. Sinasabi ko
Where's
sa'yo.
the
Doon ka.
UAE flag?
Sabi ko nga,
Ayun. Big flag. Ayun, ayun. Mataas. Ito naman talaga ang mata nito.
Ay.
Baka magpapapro.
Okay, my eyes are bad.
Ayun, ayun, ayun. See, the
Oh
flag.
yeah, the flag, the flag.
Flag of
Dapat yung
what?
may ano naman, yung
UAE.
days, no? Ganun.
Definitely not Philippines.
Maganda, maganda.
See?
Yeah, see guys?
Saka ang bilis, no?
UAE.
What does it mean? UAE.
United Arab Emirates.
Ang kuling naman.
look. That's the Twin Tower. Ah.
Yung dalawa kasi lagi mo sinasabi yung
No, that's the Triplo Tower.
maghanda. Hindi naghahanda.
Ooh,
May
X.
halibihin pa pala.
Marami tayo dito.
Tinanggal na kasi yun doon, di ba?
Kip.
Sa atin.
Ano ba yan?
Sarika.
What should we talk about?
Iba yung pangalan. Excelsior na.
Ah,
Hindi na rin Excelsior.
Ay, hindi na rin ba?
that's not it.
Yung pala, Master Chef restaurant to. Ayun, oh.
I'll wait for you until we get home, okay?
Balik tayo ulit.
Boom!
Pero bilis-bilisan mo yung pag
Guys, we're close home, but I don't know if we're really close or super far.
No, we're still far.
Oh. I see you guys.
Mga itsura to, on the way na rin to eh. Oh, ano niya? Ano ba kayo? Oo nga, sabagay.
Guys, guess where we are? Actually, this isn't our room. It's basically just the elevator. So, see you in our room. For real this time. Kaboom! We're finally back to the place we started. And the TV doesn't have bad Wi-Fi now. Noise.
Baka may sabi niyo din yung ano mo dyan, ha?
That's it for today. See you guys in the next video.